Warning, the future of WordPress is here. An AI assistant that fulfill all your WordPress needs and more. World's first WordPress AI virtual assistant creates self-updating WordPress sites, automates all your marketing tasks, and builds real business in few clicks. WP Genie is 6x faster at creating and more. Ask anything and get your task completed in 5 seconds flat. Work the 24th of July 365 days right inside your WP dashboard. Never pay any third-party platform again. Proven to be 16x more powerful by combining the power of the trio, Amazon Rufus, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot, WP Genie is 6x faster at creating websites, funnels, apps, voiceovers, videos, content, graphics, ebooks, ad copies, business plans, blogs, high-converting ads, audios, chatbots, art images, translation, and more. Get all your marketing assets in any niche and any language done for you by WP Genie with just a keyword or Siri-like voice command. WP Genie uses real-time 2024 info, ChatGPT's outdated 2021 info. Get task completed in just seconds with WP Genie exclusive AI, not available anywhere else online. Complete hundreds of marketing tasks in 40 seconds flat. AI will act as your 24/7 personalized smart virtual assistant, sales rep, or customer support instantly. Write top-notch emails, landing pages, sales pages for any niche. Use WP Genie as a PhD-level programming geek to build mobile apps and any software. No tech skills or experience. Anyone can do this. 200 plus positive reviews, 4.65 AVG rating, no outages. Unlike ChatGPT, rest easy with our 180-day money. WP Genie has transformed the way people use WordPress, and thousands of people like you are tapping into AI to automate their websites, marketing tasks, and create profitable businesses from scratch. Created a $50 million meme coin with AI. Rhett Dashwood created a meme cryptocurrency called Dollar Turbo. Starting with a budget of just $69 and no coding experience, mankind leveraged AI to develop the concept, tokenomics, white paper, and even write the smart contract for the coin. The project was eventually successful, with Dollar Turbo reaching a market cap of $50 million. Tony Din made $22,000. Tony Din shares the details how he made $22,000 in just 7 days by creating a new AI product called Typing Mind using AI. He registered the domain name, started working on the product, and within 5 days, he had finished the first version and shared it on Twitter. The app got a lot of attention, so he decided to add payment and soon started making sales. Within 10 days, he had made $10,000 in revenue, and by the time he launched the product on Product Hunt, he had made $35,000 in 3 months from his AI course. Lance Junk, a 23-year-old with no technical training, earned $35,000 in just 3 months by selling his AI course on Udemy. His 7-hour ChatGPT masterclass has enrolled over 15,000 students, built a Chrome extension, type / with I and sold for $1,000s. Ihor Stafuric, an entrepreneur, used AI to build a Chrome extension. He sold the extension for thousands of dollars on Acquire. He isn't a programmer and didn't know how to write code, so he asked ChatGPT to help him. The Chrome extension, called Type/AI, was built in just 10 hours. This has already received $1,000 worth of Meet WP Genie, your new WordPress AI virtual assistant, 16x smarter than the already genius ChatGPT. For too long, WordPress users have been left out in the cold when it comes to AI. Most AI apps exist in their separate worlds, offering no integration with the platform you know and love, WordPress. And if you thought WordPress was amazing, then WP Genie will make you say, "Holy smokes." Yes, that's right. It makes your WordPress 16x smarter, faster, and better. That means you're getting 16x better articles, 16x better websites, 16x better landing pages, 16x better ad copies, and unlike ChatGPT, WP Genie uses. Just how amazing is WP Genie? See for yourself below. Create high-converting funnels, ads copies, voiceovers, videos in seconds, transform public expert into AI chatbot and let them drive sales, capture leads, do support, and coach your audience 24/7. Easily train WP Genie on your own data, website, PDF, text, or even Q. Creating web and mobile apps. This is yet another very lucrative service. People hate coding, and they're willing to pay $1,000s or even $10,000s. It takes just a few customers to turn this into a full income. And remember, WP Genie's codes for you, and it can write code in any programming language, including PHP, JavaScript, Ruby, C++, C#, HTML, CSS, and dozens of others.